a male snow leopard. And an ibex that has fallen to its death. The leopard is very old, worn and tattered by his harsh mountain life. At these altitudes, mammals must feed regularly to keep warm. But the Himalayas present the ultimate hunting challenge. High above the valley, a female. And her cubs, fathered by the male. 3 of them in total, all amazingly camouflaged. Snow leopards have thick fur, large paws, and long tails. Perfect adaptations for the coldest, most precipitous nursery on Earth.